signatures in the corner. Also, I'm going to do a full image, full of it too, so don't worry. This one is so iconic because if you are a Selena stan, you know why. Like the red shade that matched the dress and the blue contacts, straight black hair. It's just perfect. Hung Van Gogh is her main makeup artist. Yeah, I think he did this one. Next one was during the pandemic. This one is from the Allure magazine shoot from 2020, summer 2020, I think. Yeah. Also, she did this herself. Yeah, she obviously used Rare Beauty for this, so known for her red lipstick. I mean, that's her signature. A little bit of blush. She is so, like, her makeup is so natural but so stunning at the same time. So weird. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite, like, natural makeup looks, but with a red lip, just to make it a little bit more dramatic and more confident. Okay. So this is from 2019 at Julia Michaels' concert, and Selena joined her on stage to sing their song. Also, she's her songwriter. This look, she's never really done anything like this on her eyes before. It kind of reminds me of Euphoria. Like, especially like Maddie's look. I wonder if she was using like Rare Beauty for this before she announced it. That would be so iconic. Yeah, this is like a gem. This is really a gem because not a lot of people know about this look. I wish you done like more looks like this, just to go out of the box a little more. Yeah, a little more. This one, the Look at Her Now makeup from 2019. I remember that moment like it was yesterday because she released Lose You to Love Me, and then the next day she released like a iconic club bop the next day after we were just sad and depressed. Probably, I'm gonna say this is her best music video look of all time. Next one is her most recent, well, not recently, well, yeah, recently, red carpet look from the Critics' Choice Awards. I recreated this look in one of my other YouTube videos, which is in the link down below so y'all can watch. Like, everything about it is so simple and stunning. I keep saying that, but it is. It's like she doesn't have to do much. Like, her makeup artists, they know what they're doing, because I feel like if they did a lot, it would take away from her natural beauty. That was the last one. I think I'm gonna start doing these more with like my favorite celebrities. I'm not just gonna make beauty content. I kind of want to like rate or like review red carpet looks also, because I'm not gonna stick to one thing. I really want to rate red carpet looks and everything like that, so I'll probably do a series and make a playlist later on that if you guys want. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.